What is up, everybody? Chris Dover here, head systems trader at MacroOps, and we're actually live in the market right now, Mountain Time. So we're closing in an hour and 44 minutes. This is the so far what's been happening today on Russell. You'll see we had a right here. Is that? That's a vertical. Don't want that one. There we go. So here's vertical line. That's the open. And basically, it just shot out of the gates on the open. First pullback, I got in long here, posted on Twitter, and had another pullback, added to my long here. So from the initial entry, I raised my stop to here, and then comes up again, and we start to put in that bottom. So right around here, I decided to raise my stop to break even on the second add, and which we got. It closed. Wouldn't you know it, I was getting ready to do a video, and Interactive Brokers canceled the stop for some reason. They wouldn't fill the order, so I had to manually go in and exit the trade somewhere right around here. Ended up like what did I get? 204 on the day. So far, that was with 4 contracts. So low trading day today. We're banging around into the last hour and 3/4. So not much going on. I figured I would just do a little closer to live trading. We have one of the traders I work with, Grant, got long here. I'm guessing he took this trade on the 5-minute on the NASDAQ. I'm in a long swing position on NASDAQ, so I'm not day trading it. I'm just kind of letting it play out. I've already filled my position. So pretty nice little setup there. That would have been about 1 hour to midline and potentially even higher. Take it up in a little bit higher time frame. We have a pullback to the midline after that initial sell down to the midline. It looks like it may try to take another attempt higher. So that's probably what he's doing there. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to look at some 1 hour trades, and let's see. Not there. I'm going to go through my watch list and see if we got any trades to go. Where are futures universe? So I'm just going to scan through everything. It's a 4-hour chart, and this is, we'll see if we got any setups, because our 4-hour bars just updated. So I'm a little late on it, but I will be looking to see if we have any trades, and this will be a live trading as it happens. And as you can see, a lot of the charts look the same. Dow is the strongest, it seems. Dow is up 40.41% on the day, and Russell, of course, I have everything written on the Russell chart because I like to document my Russell chart. Potential FBO, failed vol breakouts, just the distance. It's not a VBO because the distance from my risk is less to the midline, so it's not a FVBO. Now, it is also a vol breakout. That's the thing about this setup, is it is either a vol breakout or a failed vol breakout. So it would have gotten long this morning, and with a stop all the way down here. So this one is working just fine. I'm not in that. I'm just day trading off 5-minute. So bonds do have a failed vol breakout, and that one is doable. Let's see. So that one would have been filled this morning. I am going to take this trade. So that is going to be basically, the way this thing sets up is a move. Well, yeah, so that would have been, at the time, that would have been at least 1.5 R down to here. We're going to go in and get a better fill because we waited. only because it takes longer. And we'll look into getting short. Let's look at the Ultra Bond just to see if that's a better way to go about it. That is actually a better way to go about it. So maybe I'll do an Ultra Bond. Well, no, because it's much bigger on that one, I think. So maybe we'll just do regular bonds if I decide to end up taking that one. There was a failed vol breakout long this morning, and that one on silver, you can see, or that was actually yesterday, January 14th. So last night, the 14th, not today night, and moved up and hit price target. So that one is out. I did not take that trade. I'm long it. I'm long silver and gold on a different time frame. Platinum is in a vol breakout. You can see the first move was here, got filled, and then got a probably like a 1, 2, 3 hour move. So platinum, nice trade if anybody took that on the 4 hour. Natty gas has a vol breakout. This one I am going to take long natty gas with a target to the midline. As you can see, this one is looking good. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. Natty gas, uncheck. Let me add bonds to go back and look. My risk reward on natty gas is much better than on the bonds. So I'll be taking that trade. Also, RBOB. I don't trade RBOB. I have it here. It is a potential. I just don't like the hours. I don't like how this thing trades. But there is one there. Soy, as my boy Chris from Trading Desk in London hit me up and said, take a look, and he's right. Wheat, all the ags are getting smoked based off of China news, of course. Palladium, I am not going short palladium. That thing is just breathing its own oxygen right now. It's a nice risk-reward setup, but this thing is just a non-stop ripper, and I don't want to step in front of those sort of things. Okay, that should be the end of my watch list. Yep, that's the end of my watch list. So the only thing I'm going to be looking doing is either getting short bonds here or long natty gas. Currently, I am short copper here. This is on a daily chart. We got filled overnight, and it has moved back up. As a number of people pointed out, we're in a bull quiet regime. Nonetheless, I trade this one off of FVBO, not out of bull quiet, so that's just how it is. You're asking for a pullback on NASDAQ. We got a pullback. I'm not sure who bought. Obviously, people have been buying, so I'm in. I'm not adding to any positions just yet on there. I am long gold from, where did we break out? From here. This is on a weekly chart. So, is that weekly? Oh, it's 24 hours. So yeah, we high above 1500.5. I got in on this. This is a vol breakout. Ran it up. Did not exit on the day we got smacked. Came down. This would have been an add, but I did not add because I could not add according to risk position parameters. But this would have been, both of these would have been technically part of the strategy to add. And then this would be a similar setup. We got long on silver here. Here, so right around the 17.42. So we're close. If this thing turns higher, I'm going to go ahead and raise my stop up to here. I was not able to add again because of risk parameters. We'll have to get some more movement before I'll be looking to add to silver in those positions. So again, I'm just looking at a short on bonds and a long on natty gas. Let's have a look on our 5-minute Russell, see if we have any trades. I don't have any trades. Again, I got in here, added here, got stopped out here-ish, I think, for a couple dollars profit, and we're right back to where it was. So no real reason on the day trading to get me in there. Good luck to all who are there, and soon I will be doing some day trading live potentially, but for now I'm just watching. This is a nice little uptrend here. Bonds and adding gas. All right, that's all I got.